Hello, brother and sister. Today I will giving a review for the tire repairing kit. And in front of us, there are two brands we will giving for a review. One is from TEKIRO. This is a cheapest one at the market, but have a middle quality. And the second one from brand MARUNI, made in Japan. Okay. Now I will open the MARUNI package and see what the difference that it could bring to us from such a higher price than the TEKIRO. Okay. As you can see, the MARUNI comes for additional rubber stick and the glue. And we will take a closer look for the needle and see what the difference. As you can see, the TEKIRO brand come with roughly hole, different with from MARUNI. The hole have a very smooth surface. And the sharper edges is slightly open. From the logic thought, we will see the sharper needle is easier when we punch into the tire, different with the open edges. Because I already tried the TEKIRO brand 1 or 2 days ago, and when I push it inside the tire, the rubber tire come to resist my punch needle. Okay. And also the rubber is quite harder to put inside the hole. As you can see, it keep resist. Let's try MARUNI. It's come more easier. It's slightly come more easier. And not to forget to give a review for the MARUNI. The other side also have a punched needle, and you can change the stick like this. Or you can change to this form. This is very convenient and very lightweight when we put it inside the car trunk. And the TEKIRO one has a very heavy weight. Now we are going to give it a measurement. $83 grams. $395. You see the difference very far. Okay. The TEKIRO also come and bring us the glue in when we do a purchase on the package. I think that's all. But before I end this video, we will see how much the difference between the whole of each brand. Okay. The largest hole is 295. And the other one, cheaper one, the largest hole is 268. So you can make sure the difference is quite big when we want to use the rubber stick and put it inside. The MARUNI will accept it easier. Okay. Now you can see this one compared to the other one. It slightly resists. See, it's harder. The largest hole and the sharpest point when we do a puncture to our tire is make very different in working situation. Okay, I think that's all what we are going for review today. You see, it's very hot. This one I use from TEKIRO, and this one when I put it inside the MARUNI, you can see the left one is slightly wrecked compared to MARUNI. Okay, brother and sister, I think that's all. Thank you for watching this video.